हाय पेरेंट्स, आई मीनाक्षी है और आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लेस देन। मैं लेस देन कॉन्सेप्ट इसलिए सिखाना चाहती हूँ, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट लगता है मुझे बिकॉज दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ रिलेटेड टू बिफोर द नंबर, माइनस एंड बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग। या सो आई थिंक लेस देन कॉन्सेप्ट सिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। ठीक है, नाउ हम इस वीडियो में बहुत ही छोटे नंबर से शुरुआत करेंगे। विल स्टार्ट विद अ वेरी स्मॉल नंबर वन लेस देन। We'll not go beyond that in this video because you can generalize two less than, three less than, four less than, but definitely we should teach easy thing first. I believe so. So one less than means one is gone, one is taken away, one left. For example, there were 8 poos in a jungle and one left because he was very sad. So he left. So how many poos are left? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 poos are left. Okay? So 7 poos are left. So tell them, make them realize, then when you take one less, when one is gone, you get a number just before the number. Show them by doing that there are 7 poos, one is gone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is just before the number. So you get one number less than the given number when one is gone. Make them realize with practice, when you give them lots of practice. Okay? So one less, then 8. One less. One less. One is gone. One is removed. One is taken away. So one minus. Minus 1. Okay? Minus 1 here. They should read. Minus 1 is one is taken away, one is removed. Okay, so make them learn this with stories. When you go to bed in the night or in the evening, when you give them nap, work on small numbers. Let them think there were 7 peacocks in a jungle, 1 peacock is gone, how many are left? They should be able to answer you mentally. 6. Give them so much practice that they are able to give you this answer mentally. So first start with pictures, less concept, minus concept. Okay, and then extend your teaching to number line. My favorite concept. It gives good number sense to a child. And they are going to learn lots of things, not only less concept. They are going to see all the numbers. They are going to visualize all the numbers, how numbers run backward, how number runs forward. They see that 5 is before 6, 4 is before 5. They move backward. They go backward. They see all the numbers all together. There's 3 is before 4. So they learn a lot of things. It gives them number sense. Okay, so when they see minus 1, they should know by your practice that 1 is getting less. 1 less than 6. Then 1 less than 6. You should always teach your child that I'm going to 1 less than 6. Even if they grab it later on, you should always tell them so that they learn all the things mathematically. Okay, 1 less than means make them realize that you have to go backward because lesser number are at the back. So 1 less than is you have to go backward. If there were 8 poos in the jungle and 1 was left, there were 7 poos. So they have to go backward where the number are less. So 1 less means 1 step backward. 1 less is 1 step backward. Minus 1 is 1 step backward. Okay, they should be able to read this line. Okay, 1 step backward. So I would suggest parent, it is very important that you give stories on this. When you teach them, you should always give a bit small story that there were 10 tigers in a jungle and one is gone. So how many will be left? They will take a step backward. So whether you do picture or work on picture, or whether you're working on number line, give them stories. The children learn very good, very rapidly through stories. Secondly, if you don't want your child to generate maths fear, I would recommend to work only on 1 to 10 first. 1 to 10, unless and until they learn, they give you answers mentally. Don't go further. When they give you answers mentally on 1 to 10, on one lesson, then go further. Why? If they know 1 less than 6 is 5, okay, then it increases the chances of giving answer 1 less than 16 is 15. They will learn it very fast. So when they are not confident 1 less than 6 is 5 and they have to think a lot, then they will definitely going to find it difficult to give you answer on 1 less than 16 or 1 less than 26. Okay, so give a good practice on 1 to 10, and always after this give a mental exercise. Even on picture addition, give a good exercise on mentally. After you do picture addition, always give mental exercise on 1 less. When they are comfortable with 1 less, go for 2 less. When they are very much comfortable with 2 less, give them 3 less. But it has to be very gradually. Don't go very fast. Go with the pace of child. I always say that. And they will never have maths fear. Make your maths interesting with your child, interesting for your child. Give them stories. Okay. And this is all for today. And if you really like my videos, kindly subscribe, share with other parents. See you then. Bye bye.